Okay, so what we're going to do here is basically build this website. It's going to be really quick, really simple with drop-down menus. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to get Expression Web open. Okay, we'll go site, new site, empty site, site 4 works for me. Excellent. I'll go new HTML, so new index.html file. Excellent. We'll open him up. Now I'm going to go div id equals wrapper. Okay, so that's the same as dpage for those in there. I'm going to use some of the HTML5 stuff, so I'm going to use header. I'm going to have nav, and we'll then have a section. Okay, so that's our 3 main points. So if I jump in here, we'll go style, type, text, here, down, and we'll go wrapper. Width is 1000 pixels, height is 700 pixels, background color is lime, and we'll go margin 0, auto, 0, auto, auto. Okay, so now if I load that up, green box right in the center, excellent. And the cool thing is, of course, that green box shrinks and grows with the page itself. Right, now I start filling things in, so I'm going to have a header. My header, we're going to have background color of, go with that color, width of 1000 pixels, height of, we'll go with 100. Excellent, nice and easy. We'll have a nav, which will have a width of 1000 pixels, a height, we'll give it 100 pixels, background color of olive, no, let's not have olive, let's have a lighter color, let's go with that color. Excellent, and then we'll have my section. Actually, we won't do it quite with the section. What we'll do is we'll make a class. So go dot content, and we'll go width is 1000 pixels, height is 500 pixels, and background color Alice Blue will work. Okay, so that section there needs to have class of content. So let me just put this all in the one line to make things a little easier to see. Okay, that goes there, there. Push them off, and my content. Excellent. Tab it out. Okay, so now if I run that up, there we go. Nice simple page. Now, in my navigation, what I'm going to have is I'm going to have a unordered list, and inside that I'm going to have a list element href equals hash, and we'll go menu item. Okay, so we have a few of them. So I run it up. Notice how it's put them all in a straight line here, one after the other, I should say. That's not what we want. Okay, so that's going to be the first thing we fix. So I'm going to go nav. So I want inside my nav container, my UL container, I want to have my nav UL, and I have my li, and we will float everything to the left, and we shall give it a list style. Right, so this is the one that puts the dot in. I want none. Okay, and we'll turn text decoration to none. Okay, so let's put that all in the one line. Let's run that up. So there we go. Everything's together. But that's a bit too close. So now we'll put in some padding. Left, we'll put 50 pixels there. So if we run that guy up again, everything's spaced out. Cool? Awesome. Now what we'll do is on this one here, we're going to put another. This is where our submenu is going. Okay, so we'll go same deal, href equals hash. Close it off, and we'll go submenu item. And we'll have 3 of them. Excellent. So now if I run that up, notice I've got 3 submenu items under here. So they're in the right spot, just not quite how we want it. Okay, so from here we now have to start figuring this out. So inside my nav, inside my ul, nav ul, my li, okay, so that's my list element. Then the ul, which is this guy right here. Okay, I want to have display none, and that's it. So now if we run that guy up, there's my menu items. You can't see that secondary menu system we've got in there already, so that's a good sign. Now if I go into my nav and my ul and my li, okay, now on my li, on the hover, right, so when I run my mouse over it, I want the ul, so when I hover over here, I want this part here to change from none to display block. Okay, so when I run my mouse over this guy here, these guys should pop up. So let's run that up. So nothing, there's my menu item coming into play here. Okay, and away you go. Now you can of course modify the pixels and stuff, so if your pixels were like say 5 here instead of a huge amount, right, you get to play with that part. But look into the padding stuff inside here, and you can modify it all up through here. Okay, and that's how you get a submenu up and running. Cool. 7 minutes done.